Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2011 Ford Escape and I will show you which fuse to check in case your power seats stopped working. This video will apply to Ford Escapes made from 2008 all the way up to 2012. The power seats fuse is located under the front hood in a small fuse box, which is right here. Now to lift this cover you will have two black clips, one on this side and one on the other side, but it's enough just to lift this clip right here to remove the cover. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. Power seats fuse, it's fuse number 19, which is 30 amp fuse located down here. So this is your power seats fuse. If you are lucky, this will be your problem. If not, you will have to do a bit deeper diagnostics. Like I know on these vehicles, the power seat switch itself often goes bad, or there could be some kind of wiring issue. The worst case scenario, there is a motor just under the seat. If that motor is burned out, then the motor will have to be replaced. But like I said, first check the fuse. If fuse is good, check the switch, then check the wiring, and the last thing to check would be the power seat motor. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.